G'day ice cream lovers, it's Steve Christensen here, the ice cream bloke and self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School for another field trip, a Scoop School field trip. Look, we find ourselves in State College, Pennsylvania, outside Meyer's Dairy. Some of the best ice cream you'll get around here. Now let me tell you a little bit about Meyer's Dairy. 1887, I'm just monitoring this. Things might get a little bit out of control. 1887, the Meyer family started farming around here. In fact, they were delivering milk to State College, Pennsylvania so early, it was before refrigeration. There's a creek running out the back. They used to put their milk cans in the creek to keep it cold. In 1947, they stopped delivery for the general State College area, but they kept producing milk here. And look, there's a whole bunch of dairy products in here. They got milk, they got cheese, and they've got, honestly, some incredible ice cream. They've got about 24 flavors in there. There's been a steady stream of people coming in and out for ice cream and for fluid milk. I've got the chocolate coconut on the bottom, the banana on the top, even though she said banana. It's the fall, but just have a look out here at their embracing of decorations and making sure that people really feel the festiveness of the season. That's one of the things that you really want to incorporate into your ice cream shop, is to really get people connected with what's happening seasonally, rotate those seasonal flavors in, decorate accordingly. I'll tell you, this time of year, the beautiful leaves are changing color. They've got some great park benches out here just to kind of sit down, enjoy some ice cream, have a great afternoon with family, friends. That's what ice cream is all about. Well, there's not too many cones that actually beat me, but when they give you a large, they say, would you like a cup with that? It's probably a good choice. As I mentioned, one of the reasons why people come to ice cream shops is just to have this experience of ice cream. Now, you can buy ice cream at the local grocery store, but it's really only coming to these places here that you really appreciate, you know, what ice cream does. It provides memories. It's a time to share together, a family and friends. And that's really what this Meyer's Dairy provides. There's a great dining room inside, a little bit of nostalgia with the old horse and cart delivery system. Geez, mate, get your muffler looked at. Again, a great fridge there that's full of the dairy, particularly the milk that's produced. I can't believe how many people are walking in and out with these, you know, 2-pack, 4-pack, 6 bottles of milk. And the ice cream's really good as well. So, look, I'm sure the locals come here. They obviously come here because there's a lot of milk being consumed. But if you're traveling through State College, there are a lot of great ice cream shops here, but Meyer's Dairy actually is pretty cool. Look, I give it a thumbs up. I think it's pretty awesome. The link to their website will be underneath here. And look, if you have a nomination, would you like us to visit a shop? Would you like us to visit your shop? Drop us a line, info@scoopschool.com. Until then, keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next video.